Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is Norma with the 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network. Welcome back to another Win of the Day video with me, where I usually come on here and share my daily wins with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into it. Today's win consists of multiple things, starting off with one big project that we are kickstarting. We have been kickstarting on it for the past couple of days. That's the reason why I haven't been on here for the past 2 days, maybe. And that's because we have been focusing on this kickoff for a big project that we are starting on. We're doing all the the pre-setup before we get all the workers in, to start with the work. But we have been working from the beginning. Where it all starts is here in the office. So we have been working really hard these past few days here in the office, working on setting up from scratch. So this is the first time I personally have been able, excuse me, to participate in something from the beginning like this. I have been part of other projects before, but I've never kick-started off one from scratch, like I said, from the beginning. So this was my first chance ever to do that, and I am getting to learn so many things. All the process of how to start a project, and obviously it's a lot more than what many of us have ever thought. I personally, the person before would have thought, okay, the project starts the day that everybody gets to start working physically there. But no, it actually takes more days before prior to actually getting the physical work done, where we have to sit and deal with numbers, deal with a lot of calculations, putting numbers together, working on estimates, working on getting all the materials, ordering all the materials, setting up everything. So it does take definitely 3 to 5 days for the whole setup to start. And after that, that's when the actual workers start to physically working there in the project. But yeah, guys, that is my biggest win so far this week. We have also been working on estimating other projects that we also have, but at the moment we are focused, or I am specifically focusing on this specific project. This is our Mission Gorge project. So, with that said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself my aplausos. Yes, yes, guys. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, but before doing that, I would like to invite you guys to follow with your goals, with your daily wins, and if you guys would like to share that with me, feel free to leave a message down below, or you can always also look for us in our social media. You can find us as AZH Builders, guys. So yeah, if you would like to contact us, our phone number is 619-202-0679, and our office address is 3683 University Avenue. Thank you guys so much for listening to me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day.